Hello my dear English learners, I am back with new challenge of English grammar mistakes. आपकी स्क्रीन पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस नज़र आ रहे हैं जो कि देखने में ठीक ठाक ही लगते हैं, बट ईच सेंटेंस हैज़ अ वन ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स. सो इन द कमिंग वीडियो आई विल टेल यू द मिस्टेक एंड हाउ टू फिक्स ऑल दीज important but common errors. So here are the sentences. First one is he is married with an engineer. Second sentence, she has been living in Mumbai for 2 years. Another one is open page 20 of your book. Fourth sentence is the house is enough spacious for me. Next example sentence is every student like the teacher, or I have visited London last week. So all these sentences have a grammar mistake, and now we will take one by one each sentence and find out the mistake and fix the error. So stay tuned and let us get started. First sentence is he is married with an engineer. It is wrong sentence. The correct one is he is married to an engineer. Likewise, second sentence, she has been living in Mumbai since 2 years is incorrect. It should be she has been living in Mumbai for 2 years. Third one, open page 20 of your book. It is wrong sentence. Open your book to page 20 is the correct version. Another one is the house is enough spacious for me. No, it is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is the house is spacious enough for me. Another one, every student like the teacher. Here every student is a single student, so we will say every student likes the teacher. Next example, I have visited London last week. It is wrong. Correct sentence is I visited London last week. चलिए कुछ और एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस देखते हैं that will not only improve your English but also makes you fluent. So the another sentence is he was boring in the class, but the correct version is he was bored in the class. In the class का मतलब हुआ student is boring, but we want to say that he was bored. वो क्लास में बोर हुआ. Next sentence is the woman which works here is from Pune, but it is wrong sentence. The correct one is the woman that works here is from Pune. हम person के लिए that या फिर who यूज़ करते हैं. हम इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं the woman who works here is from Pune. Now the last sentence but not the least, there is no place in the hall, which is incorrect. We should say there is no room in the hall. Thank you. Keep learning. Follow for more.